We're now going to look at two different products that will help you with pet facility design best practices and also with choosing the right materials. Many clients think they'll just sit down and sketch out what they think will be the best design for a floor plan for a pet resort. That often leads to mistakes and costly do-overs. So let's take a look at what you can use to determine what are some of the design best practices, so when you do design your own floor plan, you're ready to do it the right way. Let's start by taking a look at the contents of the design best practices and sample floor plans. There's tips for you on how to design everything in the facility. There's tips for the lobby, the boarding area, which is obviously critically important, as well as the daycare area. On all of these areas, it's about the size, it's about the friendliness for the dogs, the safety for the dogs, and the efficiency for the employees. This product very clearly lays out, with both pictures and words, the right way to design your facility. Whether it be the right way to do lobby doors, entry vestibules in rooms, storage in rooms and storage around the facility, odor control. Odor control is a big thing. You don't want people to come into your pet resort and think it smells like a kennel. You want it to smell clean. Well, there's a number of different ways to get that done, a number of different steps, and we lay it all out for you very clearly. Similarly with sound control. You don't want your pet resort loud and dogs barking constantly. And there's a lot of different things that can be done to limit that. In addition to the many different areas where we give you design tips, we also give you 8 different sample floor plans. When people sit down to plan out their pet resort, a lot of them think, oh, I'll just draw out. But this is another area where you don't know what you don't know. You don't know what you don't know with regard to what is the right way to lay out a facility to make it efficient for employees, to make it safe for the animals and safe for the employees, and to make the entire facility run the way you want it to do. You can only do this right the first time, and this is a good way to help get you started along this path. So our best in show design best practices and sample floor plans contains over 40 pages of great ideas, easily showing you the right way to do things the first time. A companion piece we have for that is our Materials and Suppliers Reference Guide. Why do I need this? Well, we cover 21 different categories of materials and suppliers, from clean systems, reservation systems, odor control solutions, many more ideas and providers. Again, this is laid out with very simple to use categories, including all the things you see here, and it shows you suppliers in this area, whether or not we have experience with them, and where possible if we recommend them or not. So these two products can work very well together to make sure that you design your facility right the first time. It'll help you prevent costly do-overs, and if you can find just 1 or 2 good ideas from our design best practices, it'll save you many times its cost.